Welcome to Leisha Today. So if you guys want to make a portrait or put an image on a stone coaster, then stay tuned. So what we want to do first is center this into the center of the honeycomb. I'm going to put the laser on top, and then I'm going to hit the distance button. This is going to measure the distance from the coaster to the laser. Do start marking. I'm going to put circle, start marking, and then on here it tells you to do 3 different points. So I'm going to get one edge, Alright, so once I've done doing the 3, it makes a circle. So then I'm going to do end marking, done, and then I'm going to put insert my image. So from here you're going to go to image and then pick whatever image that you're going to use. I'm going to use this image of this husky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the image, I'm going to put it on black and white, and I'm going to do here invert. I'm going to change this bitmap to Jarvis, and then I'm going to size this down so that it fits within the circle here. So once I have it how I like it, then I'm just going to make sure this material is set to stone coaster, and then I'm just going to use the settings that is already on here, and then we're going to see how that works. So I'm going to hit process. I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to push start. So you can't really see because the reflection from my window, so let me see if I can do this. I'll come back at different intervals so you guys can see where it is. So right now we're just starting out and it's just barely getting that top part, but you can kind of see the ear. So we're about 1.5 minutes in, and it's pretty much has the face done. Let's see if I can show you guys. 3 minutes, 18 seconds. Pretty much almost done. It's looking good. So it took less than 5 minutes to get it done. So it's finished. And boom, there you have it. Quick and easy coaster engraving. It's not as hard as you guys think. So just try it out, you guys. So there it goes. I think I might just add a name on here. So I already moved it, but maybe the next time before I pick it up, I can always maybe add the name on here. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.